YouTube, ComputerKid1416 here, and today I thought I'd show you guys my car. This is a 2009 Honda Accord EXL that I got back in 2016, and I'm just going to make a video about it. Now, for those who are wondering what happened to my previous car, the 2007 Accord, well, to make a very long story short, it got totaled. Fortunately, no one was hurt. In fact, no one was even in the car when it happened. Basically, what happened was some family members of mine were driving it. They pulled to the side of the road for something, and someone who was probably impaired in some way hit it without even yielding. So it hit it straight on. So, a little unfortunate that it happened, but, you know, it worked out because this is, in my opinion, a much nicer car. So, you guys have been looking at a exterior look just now. Let me pop the trunk and the hood so I can show those as well. Starting out with the trunk here. Yeah, it's a pretty spacious trunk, as you can see. It's got a couple of things back here. I got my GPS that I rarely use anymore, and some jumper cables there. There's a spare tire under here, by the way. Yep, so I close that. As you can see, I also installed a backup camera on it. Let me focus there. Yep, installed a backup camera. And you can see, I'll show you the unit that goes with it in a minute. It's just very handy for if you like me and you like to back into spaces a lot. You unlock it here, I'll show you the back seat. Back seat really good choose because no one really rides back here, but so it's basically pristine condition back here. As you can see, leather seats as well. We also got these all-weather mats from WeatherTech. They're very nice. You just take them out and hose them out, and yeah, they're very, very nice. Much better than having to shampoo carpet. So anyway, let me pop the hood here so I can show you that. I'm not a big car person, but I'll show this for those who have interest in seeing it. Alright, not much I can say about this, but basically it's a 4-cylinder engine, 2.4 liter I believe. Let's see, there's the battery there. Yeah, that's about all I can say. I'm not a big car guy, but those who are, there you go. Fix that real quick. Yep, just got this car washed today, which is why I wanted to go ahead and make this video. Alright, let's go inside and I'll show off some more stuff. Sorry about that, it was kind of bright out there, but hopefully the camera adjusted accordingly. Anyway, let me go ahead and start the car. It's kind of hot today. Like I said, I got my Pac-Man and vintage phone keychain. Alright, let me go ahead and start the car here. Alright, there we go, much better. So, anyway, here's the instrument panel. It's currently got... let me focus there we go. It's currently got 90,221 miles, so pretty good for its age. These things have been known to last up to and even past 300,000 miles, so not that I'm going to keep it that long, but you know, yep, that's just good to know. It's the great thing about a Honda. Let's see, I'm kind of low on gas there. Alright, so I forgot to mention on the mirrors there, I've got these blind spot mirrors that I added. Those are pretty much a must in my opinion. I don't know why more cars don't come standard with those, because like I said, those are really convenient to have. You don't have to turn your head every time you're merging into traffic, so. Yep, just this basic stuff over here. You got of course, your mirror controls, lock windows and all that. Got a VSA control, which I've never understood what that does, but then again, I'm in Texas, so I don't have to deal with like snow or anything, so maybe if you're in a snowy area, you may have to deal with that more. I'm guessing that's going to do with vehicle assist. Here's the radio. This is this nice display here that shows you everything on the radio. Because I gotta manually focus here. I think it's too bright outside. It's not autofocusing correctly. There we go. Yep, this is the radio itself. You can see it's not in the best condition. It's got that weird spot there. It was like that when I bought it. I don't know how that happened. It looks almost like cigarette damage or something. But anyway, eventually I might get a replacement radio, or at least a replacement trim. So yeah, it's a very, very basic radio. It's got 6 CD changer, XM, you know, all the basic stuff. It's also got auxiliary, which, by the way, let me go and show off what I did with that. So I installed this little thing. This is the SoundBot 360 Bluetooth to aux adapter. So it plugs into the auxiliary down there and gives you Bluetooth to your phone. So in a minute I will demonstrate that. It's got, you can see it's got the media controls here. This is to answer your phone. And then also, if you hold down this, you can activate your phone's assistant. So like Siri or Google Now or whatever. So yep, so that's really nice to have. Actually, Google Assistant, it's no longer known as Google Now, but anyway. Yeah, so that's really nice to have. Of course, you got your 6-speed automatic gear shifter there. It's got a pocket down here, as well as this little fold-up thing. And here's what I was talking about earlier. This is the unit for the backup camera you saw earlier, and also it acts as a dash cam as well. So not that I ever need a dash cam for much, but you know, just I guess it's just kind of nice to have if something were to ever happen with like a rock hitting your windshield, or you know, something like that. It might be kind of nice for insurance purposes. And you know, if I ever want to do like ride along videos sometime, like at the end of this video here, I'm gonna put footage of, just a little bit of footage of me driving down the road, so just so you can get a feel for what that's like. And then let me show off the backup camera part of it. So when you put it in reverse, it automatically kicks on. It's tied to the what am I trying to say, the backup lights, so that's how it knows to turn on. Yep. It's hard to see in this brightness, but yep. See, you can see the lines there, how really nice for when you're back in the spaces. So anyway, and then here's the rearview mirror is auto dimming, which is really nice. I like having that. Of course, you got your visor, map lights here. I replaced these with LED bulbs, which are really nice. It's also got a center, so let me demonstrate that real quick. Yep, very nice. I don't use it open that much, but it is nice to have natural light. A lot of times I just leave it closed, but with the window part open, so I can at least get natural light in here. Alright, so let's see, is there anything else I can really show? I've pretty much shown everything. Yeah, this car's been in really good shape. I've really been impressed with it. The only incident I've ever had in this car is back in, I believe, 2017. I was involved in a minor accident. I was actually rear-ended by a big truck that basically punctured my trunk, as you can see now, but fortunately it was obviously their fault and everything, so it didn't cause any more damage other than the trunk and bumper, so they were able to replace both those parts, and it looks, as you saw earlier, good as new. So, but other than that, I've been very impressed with this car. It's good to last me another at least 3 or 4 years. So I'm planning on keeping it. So, yep. So I guess the last thing I'm gonna do in this video is just, other than the driving footage, is show you what the sound system sounds like. So let me pull up on my phone here something from the YouTube audio library. All right, guys, I found something. So what you have to do is you have to turn the auxiliary on the radio, and then you just hit play. Nice sounding system. I'm not a big loud music person, so I don't really listen to it loud ever, but yeah, it sounds really good. The bass is really good on this car as well. You can really feel that subwoofer in the back. No, that's not bad enough for that, but yeah, so anyway, I just thought I'd come on and quickly show you guys my daily driver, and yeah, I'll probably be doing updates on it every now and then, you know, probably at milestones like maybe 120,000, 150, etc. So probably not 100 because that's too soon, but yeah, I'll probably do my updates along the way. So anyway, that's about it for now. If you guys want to see anything else about this car, just let me know and I'll make a follow-up video sometime. So anyway, I'll see you guys at I'll do a quick driving footage from the dash cam. So see you guys. Alright guys, I just got through filming the review you just saw, so now let's do a quick driving footage. Just show you guys what the dash cam quality is like. It's pretty decent for what it is, I think. You know, not that I do driving videos a lot. I wouldn't mind doing more if you guys wanted me to, but as of right now I don't really do a lot of driving videos, but you know, just if I ever need to like prove that someone hit my car with a rock or something like that, you know, like a rock coming off of like an 18-wheeler or something like that, then it might be kind of nice for that. Plus, I mainly bought this thing for the backup camera as I showed you, but you know, the dash cam's a nice little bonus. It can't hurt. Unfortunately, I can't say the same thing about the rear camera. You can see it's terrible quality. I don't know if that was the specific camera I got, maybe it was just faulty, or if it has something to do with the fact that there's a lot of distance going from the trunk to the front, because it is probably about 15 foot that has to travel. So I don't know which one of those it is, but not a huge issue. Again, I really only use it for the backup camera part, so I don't really need to record footage of it necessarily. Although it would have been nice when that person hit me last year, but anyway. We're gonna get on to 287 South here. Not gonna go all the way home or anything, just for privacy's sake. I'm not gonna show all that, but I'll show me driving down the highway a little bit here. And like I said, if you guys want to see more driving videos sometime, just let me know. I actually really enjoy driving. It's kind of a hobby of mine. So yeah, if you guys ever want to see me driving somewhere, or you know, if I'm ever going to some interesting, you know, game store, you know, something along those lines, I might do a dash cam videos from time to time. So just let me know if you guys enjoy this. I'll definitely be doing updates of the car itself, no doubt. But yeah, I mean, if you guys want any additional driving videos, yeah, I'd be all for it. I'm actually filming this on Easter Sunday, so there's not a lot of people out today. Drive down the road a couple miles and then call it a video. It's a 4-cylinder engine, so it doesn't, you know, it doesn't pack as much of a punch as some cars do. But you know, I'm fine with that. I'm not, you know, people like to say I'm a grandpa when I drive. I'm very big on, you know, I don't go more than like 5 over at the most. So for me, it's okay, and plus you get better gas mileage as well. Like I said, very nice day today. It's a perfect day to make this video. Yep, I live in Texas, where it can't decide whether it wants to be spring or summer. Believe it or not, the water parks are actually opening next week, or at least some of them. I guess I'm not surprised, given that the temperature is 83 today, but it just seems a little early. But yeah, like I said, I wouldn't mind going. I kind of enjoy water parks, actually. always kind of like the water in general. Yeah, you can see it intersects with 360 in a mile. It gives you kind of an idea of where I am, I guess. Perfect day to be out, given that there's hardly anyone out, but then again it's Easter Sunday, so that's expected. Alright, well I guess I'll go ahead and call it a video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, I hope you enjoy.